welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because this might be my favorite or most anticipated Mejuri unboxing that I have ever done here on my channel. This video is sponsored by Mejuri and I'm going to be showing you guys some of their new diamond releases. So we've got some tennis bracelets, we've got some earrings, and all of these pieces are part of their new collection. So we've got some of their new lab-grown bezel pieces, and I'm just so excited about this video. If you guys are familiar with my channel or my Mejuri videos, by now you know Mejuri is literally my favorite jewelry brand of all time. Like, all of the jewelry that I consistently wear is Mejuri. It holds up so well, it lasts a lifetime, and they just have some of the best designs. So I'm really excited to show you the new pieces. Also, Diamond Week is coming up, and if you guys are interested in that sale, I'll have more info down below in the description box as well as at the end of this video. But I want to get into the unboxing because I feel like that's what we're all here for, to see the diamond pieces up close and styled. So this is what the Mejuri box looks like when it arrives at your doorstep. I always like to open one up for you guys if you are not familiar with Mejuri, if this is like your first time ordering. So when you get the box, it looks like this. You typically will have to sign for your package because it is a higher value, especially their diamond pieces. Inside of the box here, we've got the dust bag, order number, receipt. This is what the dust bag looks like. All of their jewelry comes with a bag like this, and inside of the bag here, we've got the actual box that the jewelry comes in. So it says Mejuri on it, has the embossed logo here on the front, and then the pieces inside here. For any of their lab-grown diamond pieces, you do get a certificate that comes with it. It just says what the carat weight is, the color and clarity, and information about the diamond piece itself. So it will come with a card. For those of y'all who are trying to decide if you should go with a lab-grown piece or a natural diamond piece, Mejuri has both on their site. Essentially, the lab-grown and the natural diamond are going to be the same chemically and physically. You're going to have the same look to the eye. They're both beautiful and sparkly, and the cut is incredible. The only thing about the lab diamond is that they are made in labs, so they are going to be more climate neutral and certified sustainable lab grown, so they're going to also come in at a better price point. The Mejuri natural diamonds are responsibly sourced as well, so you really can't go wrong with either. They have both options on their site. There are some pieces where they offer lab grown over natural diamond, but like I said, both are gonna be stunning, sparkly, last a lifetime, and they're just gonna hold up really well. So I wanted to clarify that in case you saw some of these are lab grown versus natural diamond. I'll try to say which one in the description box so you guys know, but honestly, you're not gonna really be able to tell because they both look very similar. I'm gonna zoom you guys in now so we can get into the actual unboxing. This is, again, what the box looks like. Once you open it up here, we've got a dust bag, and underneath the dust bag we have a polishing cloth. Definitely hold on to this to polish up your jewelry as you wear it. This is what the dust bag looks like. It's got the logo on it. I really like holding on to these for when I travel with any type of jewelry. So these are the Bezel lab grown diamond Huggies, and these are so pretty. So really quick before I pop in the new earrings, this is my current earring stack. I've got on the mini diamond chain studs, which I just love. They loop around behind the ear. And then these are, I believe, the plush hoops, which are 14 karat gold, but they're just like a bolder kind of small hoop. These ones are so fun to stack with diamond pieces. I love adding diamond pieces with just solid gold pieces. I feel like having one more plain solid gold piece to break up the diamonds just adds a little bit of interest to the stack. And then these are the Pave bold large hoops, and I am obsessed with these. I have these hoops in all 3 sizes now because they are truly my favorites. Probably like some of my most recommended earrings if you are looking to purchase something during Diamond Week, these ones in any of the sizes are so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out, let's just take out these and swap them for the new bezel hoops. And these ones are the Huggies size, but I saw on the Mejuri site that they also have a small hoop version, which are gonna be a little bit bigger, but the Huggies are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. All their diamond pieces, I cannot get enough of. Like, I feel like you can never have too many diamonds. Doesn't matter if you're wearing like a super casual outfit, I feel like the diamonds just go with everything. In our next box here, we've got a few different dust bags. It looks like we've got a bracelet box in this one. This is what the bracelet box looks like. And again, you can always hold on to these for traveling. Ooh, we've got a tennis bracelet. So this is the Patra Diamond tennis bracelet. And it's such a cool line. If you guys haven't seen the other Patra pieces, I really, really love the rings that are part of this collection as well. I'm gonna try to get this one on by myself, but I might need some help. I ended up getting this in a size 6, which is my typical bracelet size, but look how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if I can get this on by myself. Okay, I actually really like the way that this clips on. So you attach the two sides here, and then it has these hinges that snap into place so you know it's not going anywhere. I really, really like the clasp design on this. This is the most beautiful bracelet ever. So stunning. And again, the clasp design is so nice. You know it's just not gonna come undone and you're not gonna lose something like this, especially with these diamond pieces. You wanna make sure that they are secure, but I adore this bracelet so much. It is so unique, so stunning, and the diamonds are beautiful. And these ones are natural diamonds, gorgeous. The other bracelets that I have on really quick are the paperclip chain charm bracelet with the emerald charm, the pave diamond star charm, and then the cursive letter charm in J for my husband's name. And then the other bracelet that I have on is another chain charm bracelet. This is the Rolo chain charm bracelet, and on this one I've got the pearl charm and then a diamond letter charm in the letter C for my name. So this is my current bracelet stack. I feel like with a diamond piece like this, it works really well with other bracelets, but it's also such a statement. You really don't need to wear it with any other bracelets. It's so pretty by itself. In our next dust bag here, we've got another jewelry box, and it looks like we've got something in the dust bag. Ooh, okay. These are some diamond studs. And believe it or not, I actually don't have a pair of just like classic diamond studs. So these ones are so pretty. These ones are lab grown and they are a 1/2 carat weight. So gorgeous. They are so pretty, just like your classic stud. They also have a 1 carat or 1 total carat weight version of these as well. They're a little bit bigger, but these ones I feel like are gonna be perfect for my 3rd piercing, which is typically where I will wear studs the most, is on my 3rd piercing with like 2 hoops. So I'm gonna pop these in, and oh, I love, yeah, that's like the perfect size. These ones are the 0.5 total carat weight set, and so gorgeous. These ones are lab grown. Again, like you truly cannot tell a difference. They're so pretty though. Like I am obsessed. I don't know why I didn't own just like a classic diamond stud before, because they're just classic and beautiful with any stack. And then for our last piece here, it looks like we've got another bracelet box. Inside here, we've got another tennis bracelet. This is the Bezel lab grown diamond tennis bracelet. Again, I got it in a size 6, and it is So pretty. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could see these in person because I feel like even on camera, like up close, it does not do it justice how gorgeous these diamond pieces are. Truly so stunning. I love this whole bezel line. They also have some bezel rings out as well. This entire line is just gorgeous. I'm gonna put this one on, and I'm pretty sure I can do it by myself since I got the other one on. Yeah, these clasps are truly amazing for putting jewelry on yourself, but also just knowing that they're not going anywhere. I really love this clasp design. This is what the bracelet looks like though, next to the Patra one. So we've got the natural diamond tennis bracelet and then the lab grown diamond tennis bracelet, and both are so stunning. Again, you really cannot tell a difference between the natural and the lab grown. They're both insane quality and they're sparkly and they're just so pretty. And then really quick, the necklaces that I'm wearing, this is the mixed link paperclip chain charm necklace. I've just got the chain charm part in the back, but you can add charms to it. This is the 16-inch length. And then I've got on the Bezel lab grown diamond necklace in the 0.25 carat version, and it's so pretty. And then this is the diamond letter pendant on a 14 karat chain. But I really love this necklace stack. So pretty. But those are all of the pieces from this unboxing. Like I said, Mejuri is about to do their Diamond Week sale, which if you guys have wanted to grab any of their diamond pieces, whether it's natural diamond or lab grown diamond, all of those pieces will be a part of the sale. It's gonna happen April 2nd through April 9th, and it's gonna be a good one. They only do the diamond sale once a year. It's a little bit later in the year, but it is well worth the wait, you guys, to grab those pieces at a discounted price. I'll have all of the information down below in the description box, as well as all of the pieces that I'm wearing and the new ones that I just showed you guys. I'll also include some of my other diamond favorites that I just continually wear in the description box if you're looking for a new piece to add to your collection. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you happen to be new here, and if you love Mejuri jewelry or just jewelry in general, be sure to stick around. I would love to have you back for some more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye guys.